Hello guys, this is Eric Auto Center. P0014 error code disturbing this car too much, customer complaint, and we are going to tackle it once and for all because we know how to do it. It has a very difficult start. Look at this. Very difficult start, and the engine light is on. So I'm going to figure out and remove the front and oil back cover to see what is going inside right there. So just relax. We are going to make this one time touch and we are good to go. Share the video, subscribe, like, comment. This is an example, sir. And anytime I ask you guys not to open it and lock it on this, then bring the camera to shot. You can see it is turning that way. This is completely spoiled. It has worn out and you don't need to open it and put something inside, lock it, which is not good at all. So we have done the work, massive result. This is what we do here. Always try to find the correct one and change it. Never make your mind to open it and lock it or take it to any expect to lock it or which you have completely spoiled the work, and it will always bring the check light on the screen for a customer to complain, which is not good. So share the video, like, comment, subscribe, and watch more videos on Eric Auto Center, which will open your mind and give you more educative content. So this is the camshaft, B camshaft and A camshaft. We have replaced it and we are going to align the timing chain so that we can able to start it and move forward. So this is how we do it. Just look at this. Everything is on point. If we are suffering and making things difficult about timing to access is there, you can watch it. We have already set the timing chain alignment to its optimal max. You are good to go. Just follow the instructions. Oh, no check lights. Let me show you something on the screen. Before there was a check light, and as you can see, everything is done 100%. No check light. Car is working. Hesitation is off. Malfunction is off. Difficult start is off. Like everything is awesome, perfect working now. This is what makes different from Eric Auto Center to others. So this is educative and useful channel. Whenever you miss such videos, watch it, share, like, and comment. Bye bye. See you.